If you are a user of MariaDB, update your MariaDB server immediately. In the previous versions of MariaDB, it was possible to generate a malicious mariadb-dump file which could execute malicious shell commands once it was invoked using the MariaDB client. The good news is that this problem has been effectively squashed. The MariaDB team introduced a sandbox option that enables a sandbox mode for the current session until the session disconnects. The sandbox mode prevents the execution of shell commands that can do damage. Those using MariaDB-dump to take database backups can also notice a command added to the very top of the backup file that triggers a sandbox mode. This command introduces a compatibility problem in that older versions of MariaDB and all versions of MySQL simply don't understand this command and spew out errors. In other words, if you have backed your database up from a newer version of MariaDB into an older one that doesn't contain this fix, you are likely to see an error. The same can be said about MySQL. The versions of MariaDB that are affected by this bug can be seen on your screen. If you are facing this problem, you have a couple of options you can use to avoid this from happening. Import a dump file using the secure client for the newest version of MariaDB Server or a version that has the change, use an older version of MariaDB-dump to back up your database, and remove the line outlining the sandbox mode from the backup file before importing it, or remove the line outlining the sandbox mode from the backup file at backup time. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more news from the MariaDB front, and until next time.